हेलो व्यूअर्स, तो आज हम लोग कर रहे हैं अपना चैप्टर 5 कोरल्स इन्वायरमेंट का। तो टॉपिक नंबर 1, कोरल रीफ्स। कोरल रीफ आर built by and made up of thousands of tiny animal coral polyps that are related to the anemones and jellyfish. Pulps are the shallow water organisms which have a soft body covering by the calcareous skeleton. The polypips extract calcium salt from the seawater to form these hard skeleton. The polypips lives in a colonies fastened to the floor rocky sea floor. The tubular skeleton grow upward and outward as a cemented calcareous rocky mass collective called corals. When the coral polyps dies, they shed their skeleton coral on which new polyps grow. The cycle is repeated over a million of years, leading to accumulation of the layer of coral shallow by creating these depositional it's called reefs. These layers at different stages give rise to various marine landforms. One such important landform is called the coral reef. Coral reef over a period of time transfer of evolve into coral island. Example Lakshadweep. The coral occur in different form and colors depending upon the nature of the salt or constituent they are made. Small marine plants, algae also deposit calcium carbonate, contribution to coral growth. Topic number 5.2, coral reefs relief feature. Fringing reef, barriers reef, and atoll coral island are formed on atolls are the most important relief feature. Topic number 5.2.1, fringing reef. Soaring reef. The fringing reef are the reef. I just repeat the Fingernail reef. Fingernail reefs, shore reefs. Fingernail reefs are the reefs that grow directly from the shore. They are located very close to land and often form a shallow lagoons between the beach and the main body of the reef. A fringing reef run as a narrow belt, 1 to 2 kilometer wide. This type of reef grow from the deep sea bottom with a seaward side sloping steeply into the deep sea. Coral polyps do not extend outward because of the sudden and the large increase in depth. The fringing reef is by the far the most common of the three major types of coral reefs, with numerous examples in the all major region of the coral reef development. Fringing reef can be seen at the New Hebrides Society Island of Australia and of the southern coast of Florida. Lagoons as used in the context of the coral reef typically. Typology refers to a comparatively wide band of water that lies between the shore and the main area of the reef development and the contain or at least some deep portion. Topic number 5.2.2, barrier reefs. Barrier reefs are extensive linear reef complexes that parallel a shore are separated from lagoons. This is the largest in size, not distribution, of the three reefs runs from 100 kilometer and several kilometer wide. It extends as it broken irregular rings around the coast or an island running almost parallel to it. Barrier reef are far common than the fringing reef or atoll. Also, example can be found in the tropical Atlantic as well as Pacific. The 1,200 miles long Great Barrier Reef of the northeast coast of the Australia is the world's largest example of the reef type. The GRV is not actually a single reef as the name implies, but rather a very large complex consisting of many reefs. Topic number 5.2.3, atolls. An atoll is a roughly circular annular oceanic reef system surrounding a large and often deep central lagoons. The lagoons have a depth 80 to 150 meters and may be joined with seawater through a number of channels cutting across the reef. Atolls are located at a great distance from a deep sea platforms where the submarine features may help in formation of atolls such as a submerged island or a volcanic cone which may reach at a level of suitable for the coral growth. An atoll may have any one of the following three: some a true atoll, a circular a reef enclosing a lagoon with no island; an atoll surrounding a lagoon with an island; a coral island, or an atoll island which is in fact at atoll reef built by the process of the erosion and the deposition of the wave with island crown formed on them. Atolls are the far more common in the Pacific than the other ocean. The Fiji atoll and the uh, uh, atoll and the Funatuli atoll in the Allies Island are well known as example of atolls. A large number of the atolls also occur in a Lakshadweep island. In the South Pacific, most atolls occur in the mid-ocean. Example of the reef type are common in the French Polynesia, the Caroline and the Marshall Island, Micronesia, and the Cook Island. The Indian Ocean also contains numerous atolls. Formation examples are found in the Maldives and Chagos Island group, the Seychelles, and in the Cocos Island group. Topic number 5.3: Development of the major coral reef types. The basic coral reef classified in schemes was proposed by the Charles Darwin and is still widely used today. Darwin theorized the fringing reef began to grow near the shorelines of the New Zealand, and ecological conditions become ideal for hard coral growth. Then, as the island began to gradually subside into the sea, the coral was able to keep pace in the term of growth and remained in the place at the sea surface. But further from shore, it was now a barrier reef. Eventually, the island disappeared below the sea surface, leaving only the ring of the coral. Enriching the central lagoons, and atoll is formed. Topic number 5. Coral bleaching happens when coral lose their vibrant color and turn white. This occurs when the coral pulps expel algae that live inside their tissues. Bleaching occurs when the densities of the zooxanthellae decline, and or the concentration of the photosynthetic pigment with the zooxanthellae falls. It is no more useful for the coral, and the coral will bleach it. When the coral bleach, they commonly lose 60 to 90% of their zoonothel, and each zoothelian may lose 50 to 80% of its photosynthesis pigment if the stress causing bleaching is not to serve, and if the decreases in time, the affect coral usually regain their systematic algae within several weeks or a few months. If the zooxanthellae loss is prolonged, if the stress continues, the depletion zooxanthellae populations do not recover. The coral host eventually dies. Disturbance affecting coral reef include anthropogenic and the natural event. Recently accelerated coral reef decline is related mostly to anthropogenic impact: over exploitation of overfishing, increased in sedimentation, and nutrition overloading. Natural disturbance which cause the damage or the coral to coral reef include violent storms, flooding, a high and low temperature extreme, El Nino, Southern Oscillation ENSO events, subaerial exposures, predatory outbreak, and epizootic coral reef bleaching is a common stress response of the coral to many of the various disturbance mentioned above. Topic number 5.1.1: Natural causes of coral bleaching. Temperature. Coral species live within a relative narrow temperature margin, 20 to 29 degrees centigrade, and amorphically low and high sea temperature. Coral are the absent are the on the west coast of the tropic temperature continent because of the cold current can include induce coral bleaching. Bleaching event occur during the sudden temperature drop accompanying intense upwelling episodes. El Nino seasonal cold air outbreaks. Most reefs rediscovered with low level of the coral depth with damage has been severe at places. This is an instance of coral reefs susceptibility to increased water temperature. combined with ocean acidification, while the rising temperature have increased the frequency and the intensity of the bleaching. Acidification has reduced coral calcifying ability. Small temperature increases over many weeks on or a large increase 3 to 4 degrees centigrade over a few days with result in the coral dysfunctioning. Coral bleaching has occurred mostly during the summer season or near the end of protected warming period. They are reported to have taken place during the time of a low wind velocity, clear skies, calm sea, and the low turbidity. The condition favored localized heating and the high ultraviolet UV radiation. UV radiation readily penetrate clear sea water, and the coral actually contain UV absorbing compound which can block potentially damaging UV radiation, but rising temperature mean reduction in the concentration of these UV absorption compound in coral. Subaerial exposure, sudden exposure of the reef flat coral to the atmosphere during the event such an extreme low tides, ENSO related sea level drop, or the tectonic uplift can potentially induce bleaching. The consequential exposure to high or the low temperatures increase solar radiation, desertification, desiccation, and the seawater dilution. Why the heavy rain could all play a role in zooxanthellae loss, but could also very well lead to the coral depth. Fresh water dilution, rapid dilution of reef water from the storm generating precipitation, and the runoff has been demonstrated to the cause coral reef bleaching. Generally, such a bleaching event are the rare and confined to relatively all near source areas. Inorganic nutrition rather than causing coral reef bleaching and increase in eminent elemental nutrition concentration. Example, ammonia and nitrate actually increasing zooxanthellae density second and third times. Although eotropical is non-directly involved in the zooxanthellae's loss, it could cause a secondary adverse effect such as lowering of coral resistance and greater susceptibility to diseases. Xenobiotic when coral are exposed to high concentration of chemical contaminations like copper, herbicides, and oil, coral bleaching happens. Episodic pathogenic induced bleaching is different from the other sort of bleaching. Most coral diseases cause patchy or whole colony death and sorting of soft tissue, resulting in the white skeleton, not to be confused with the bleaching corals. Current situation of corals nearly all the world's major reef region, Caribbean, Western Atlantic, Eastern Pacific, Central and Western Pacific, Indian Ocean, Arabian Gulf, Red Sea experienced some degree of coral bleaching and mortality during the 1918. The prior to the 1918, most mass coral mortalities were related to the non-thermal disturbance such as storms, aerial exposure during extreme low tides, and can threatless overbreak. Coral bleaching accompanied some of the mortality event prior to the 1918s during the period of elevated sea water temperatures, but these disturbances were geographically isolated and restricted at particular reef zones. In contrast, many of the coral bleaching event observed in the 1980s occurred over large geographical region and at all the depth. The third global coral bleaching. The third global coral bleaching in progress 2015 to 2016 after event in the 1998 to 2000 and 2010. The present one is the longest and the most So far, the longest and the most severe El Nino ever is the main cause. Recent researches has revealed coral that are consistently exposed to low level of stress may develop some kind of resistance to bleaching. Topic number 5.2: anthropogenic cause of coral bleaching. Chemical population increased the nutrition concentration affect the coral by promoting phytoplanktons growth, which in turn support increased number of organic organisms that compete with the coral for the space. Increased sedimentation, land clearing, and coastal construction result in a high rate of the erosion and the higher density of suspended silt particles, with which can smooth coral when the particles settle out. Sedimentation reduce light availability, turbidity, and potentially reducing coral photosynthesis and growth. Other reason: overfishing, population and agriculture and industrial run of coral mining, development of industry near coral ecosystem also diverse impact corals. Topic number 5.6: impact of coral bleaching. Ecological impact of bleaching. Decline in marine species diversity. Land masses will be directly exposed to the waves, leading to the risk erosion. Challenges in coral community affect the species that depend on them. Socio-economic impact of bleaching. Degraded coral reefs are not able to provide the ecosystem services on which local human communities depend. Reef damage of the coral bleaching can quickly lose many of the features that important for the aesthetic appeal that is foundation for the fundamental to reef tourism. Thus, there is loss of revenue from tourism. It can diverse tiger. A large shift in fish communities. This result into reduced catches for the fishers target reef fishes species, which in turn impact food supply and associated with economic activities. Coral reef are valuable source for pharmaceutical compound. Degraded and dead reef are less likely to serve as a source for important medicinal resources. Topic number 5.7: global initiatives. United Nations Environmental Program UNEPR included coral reef conservation and restoration as an economic based adaptation measures. EBA for the coastal protection. For topic number 5.7.1: International Coral Reefs Initiative ICRI. The International Coral Reef Initiative ICRI is an informal partnership between national and organization which aim to preserve coral reefs and related ecosystem around the world. The initiative was founded in 1994 by 8 countries: Australia, France, Japan, Jamaica, the Philippines, Sweden, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. India is a member of ICRI. Main objective are encourage the adaptation of the best practices in sustainable management of the coral reef and associated ecosystem. Capacity building reason: raise awareness at all level on the plight of coral reefs around the world. The ICRI declared 2018 as the third International Year of the Reef (IYOR). Topic number 5.7.2: Global Coral Reef Monitoring a Network. It is a network under ICRI which work to provide scientific information and the communication on the status of the coral reef ecosystem to increase conservation and the management of the coral reefs. Topic number 5.1.73: International Coral Reef Action Network (ICRNA). ICRNRAN is a strategic alliance of private and public organizations that act worldwide to address the management of the coral reef ecosystem and the need to be communities that depend upon them. It operates by sharing and promoting traditional knowledge, which currently research and the best practice in order to strengthen the reef management. Topic number 5.7.4: Coral Triangle Initiative. The six government of the Coral Triangle, Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, the Philippines, Solomon Island, and the Timor Leste, has established partnership to conserve coral reefs and the multitude of the species and fisheries they support. Topic number 5.8 Conservation of the coral reef in India. The protection of the coral reef has been stressed under Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and the Environmental Protection Act 1986 and the Coral Regulation Zone CRZ. The coral are the induced in Schedule First of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Coastal Zone Regulations in India. The CRZ rules govern human and industries activities close to the coastline in the order to protect the wrangling ecosystem near the sea. They restrict certain kind of activities, the large construction, setting up the new industries, storage or the disposal of hazardous material, mining, reclamation, and bund, uh, bunding within a certain distance from the coastline. After the passing of Environmental Protection Act in 1986, CRZ rules were first framed in 1991. After they found to be restrictive, the Central notified a new rule in 2011, which also included exemption for the construction of the Navi Mumbai airport for the project of the Department of Atomic Energy. In 2018, fresh rules were issued which aim to remove the certain restrictions on buildings, streamlined the clearance process, and aim to encourage tourism in the coastal areas. While the CRZ rules are made by the Union Environment Ministry, implementation is to be ensured by the state government through the coastal zone management authorities. Application of the rules in all rules. The regulation zones has been defined as the area up to 500 meters from the high tide lines. The restrictions depend on the criteria such as the population of the area, ecological sensitivity, the distance from the shore, and whether the area had been de- um, designated as the natural park or wildlife zone. The latest rule have a no development zone of 20 meters for the all is land to the maintained coast, and all the backwaters is land in the mainland. Integrated Coastal Marine Area Management (ICMAM) are also take up the issue coral reef habitat destruction on the recommendation of the National Committee on Mangroves and Coral Reefs. Following coral reefs areas in the countries have been identified for the intensive conservation and the management since 1987. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island, Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat, Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, Gulf of the coral bleaching alert system CBAS has been initiated by the INCOIAIS since 2011. This model uses a satellite derived sea surface temperature SST in order to assess the thermal stress accumulated in the coral, and when the information yield in drying the early sign of the intensity and spatial extent of coral bleaching. The based on the recommendation of the National Committee on Wetland, Mangrove and the Coral Reefs, 24 wetland, 33 mangroves, and the 4 coral reef area in the country has been identified. The Ministry of for Conservation and Management National Coral Reef Research Center has been established at Port Blair database network, and the website on coral reef has also established a blue flag certification on the beaches. Union Ministry Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MOEFCC) has announced the first time breaches of the Indian are recommended for the coveted international eco label and blue flag certification. Blue flag certification. The certification is accorded by an international agency, Foundation of the Environmental Education Denmark, based on the 33 stringent criteria in the four major head, i.e. environmental education and information, bathing, water quality, environmental management and conservation, and safety and services on breaches. It started in France in 1985 and has been implemented in Europe since 1987 and in the area outside the Europe since 2001 with when South Africa joined. Japan and South Korea are joined only the country in South and the Southwestern Asia to the blue flag beaches. Spain tops of the list of 566 such beaches. Greece and the France follow with the 515 and the 395 respectively. Step taken to be topic number 5.9. Step to be taken. It is an important to undertake immediately action to address the climatic change under the Paris Agreement goal limitation. The global average temperature increased to 1.5 degree centigrade. Our pre-industrial industrial temperature measurement of the combat local steroids causing coral bleaching, regulate tourism, check water pollution by treating industrial effluent before discharge them into the sea, reduction in use of chemical fertilizer in farm when fishing and harvesting of protecting species regularly services and maintenance fishing vessels so that they are causing minimum pollution, regulate construction along the coast, banning of the quarrying of massive coral restoration program can be play an important role in conserving a coral reef, for example, and the initiative force blue project is training retired special forces soldiers to transparent engendered coral species. A recent paper published in a nature argues that there are should be focus on strengthening the reef to make them immune of to population. For example, through genetic engineering and the restoration reef by taking more resilient coral. Improved scientific knowledge is required to inform an effective response to threat. The coral reefs community awareness and the education program are the required to educate and inform the public, policy maker and other stakeholder of the ecological and sociological in economic values or coral reef ecosystem recommendation of the task force on island coral reefs, mangroves and wetland 11th 5 year plan 2007 to 2012 to on empowerment of the coastal community and sustainable solution to be implementation. Bio rock technology, this technology work by passing a small amount of electrical current through the electrodes in the water. Bio rocks is a name is given to the substance formed by the electro accumulation of minerals dissolved in seawater or on steel structures. They are lowered onto the seabed and are connected to the power source solar panels that are float on the surface of water. When positively charged anode and negatively charged cathode are placed on the sea floor with a current electric current flowing between them. Calcium ions combined with the carbonate ions and adhere to the structure cathode. This result in calcium carbonate formation. Coral larvae adhere to the CaCO3 and grow quickly. In 2015, a group of ZSI scientific had successfully restored a breaching coral species, Staghorn coral, belonging to the family Acrophaid. Acropora formosa, Acropora humilis, Montipora digitata that had gone extinct about 10,000 years ago to the Gulf of the Kutch. And our chapter corals is finished now. I hope that you understand the video.